Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video. Yeah man, that frightened you, don't?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Potato. Banana.
What a funny.
How you mean, my boy? Defend your things, yes.
See, you're really into my challenge.
Like I was in your girl last night.
Huh? My girl?
Yeah, baby girl, you just realize it. But this happen when Jamaican youth with no girl watch too much Pokemon.
Now I'm gonna take this serious. Skinny Skull, I choose you!
Chungkulung, I choose you! Skinny Skull. You got them, man.
Yeah, man. Punch him! Hey! Punch him! Pokemon!
This brother wouldn't have no need for electric toothbrush, cause he's my electric himself.